Hey everybody, this is Alicia with thriftyandchic.com, and today I just want to share with you one of my most favorite finds. So I was touring at the Parade of Homes last year, and almost every home I was going into smelled amazing. Not just like the new build smell, which smells already good to me, but every room had a different scent, and it was just so pleasant and so inviting. I just wanted to like hang out and sit there for a while, right? So I figured out what these smells were coming from. I didn't see a flame, I didn't see any hot wax, and I was like, what is making these amazing scents? You guys, it was this little guy. This thing is called the AirMoji by MojiLife. It dispenses fragrance oil via a fan. How cool is that? So let's talk about this. Here's the fragrance pod. You just take off the foil. You take this off. Here's one I already have going. You plop this into it. So the fragrance oil is on this little wood disc. When the wood disc is fully saturated, it smells amazing. But then as the air goes through it, it dries out a little bit. And when the fragrance isn't there anymore, this is recyclable. You could just toss it. It's really cool. So you have this, you plop it in here, put that back on, and you press this once. And the fan goes, and it's immediate fragrance. So many benefits to this. As I said before, no flame, no hot wax. Did you notice something else? No cord. This thing is rechargeable, and so you can move it around your house for about 40 to 50 hours of runtime. So that's about a week for me for the way I use it. And it's immediate smell. You don't have to wait for the wax to melt before your guests arrive and forget about it and be like, oh no, now my house stinks because I forgot to put the wax on, or the air fresheners that don't last very long. This thing is amazing and it's safe. That's the best thing for me with kids, is that like I could even put my finger in. I could know that my kids could do this and they're not going to get hurt. They're not going to pour wax all over themselves or start the house on fire. And there's no need to hide it. You don't need to put it in a corner somewhere because you're afraid someone might bump it and it might fall and spill. You can hide it if you want, anywhere in a vase even, because there's no cord. How cool is that? So another good thing about this is that these little pods themselves, they last for me about a week and a half to 2 weeks of full-on fragrance. It warms about 800 square feet. So for me, that's about my dining room, my kitchen, and my living room. And I just love it. Another awesome thing about this. So you feel like you want to get the most out of your fragrance, right? So what if it's not like smelling the room up as much as you want? Just move it into a smaller room. You'll get stronger fragrance with smaller the space, right? Once I don't have the fragrance that I want coming out of here anymore, I move it into this little thing. This one is called the Mini-Moji. It doesn't have a fan, but it has a vent on it. So it's kind of just like a holder for this. I put it in my bathroom. I put it in my car. You could connect it this way on your visor or through the fan in your car to get more airflow through. Put it in your linen closet, in your drawers, anywhere that's like a smaller space to get that yummy, yummy smelling scent. It's an amazing little device too. And another thing with this, as I didn't mention before, is that it's programmable. How cool is that? So I could say, hey, I want this going in the morning before I wake up. I want to turn off at 10 o'clock at night because I always forget to turn it off. So it's really good to have a program to do it. You just download the free app on your phone, and it's via Bluetooth. You just decide what days, what time to put it on and off. How cool is that? Anyway, I was just amazed with this thing. So I wanted to share with you, I've been using mine for over a year and have just loved it. I get so many compliments on the smell of my house. I just feel like that's like another portion of an inviting home. You have a beautifully decorated home, but then you have you need to have a good smelling home, right? To have it so inviting and for people to come in and enjoy themselves. Even you, that's most important. It sucks being in your house and having it stink, right? Put one of these on and you will not have that problem again. Okay, so some of my favorite scents. First one is Serendipity. This is almond, like smelling almond extract. It is the most amazing scent. I'm an almond extract fan. So I'm like, I could smell this all day, every day. This is the one that I have going all the time. Next is Lotus Petals and Bamboo. It's not your mother or your grandma's floral scent. It has like this really, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like this tangy, citrusy tone at the beginning. It smells amazing. This is pretty close to my Serendipity. That's how good it is. Tahitian Sunset's the next one. It just takes you back on vacation. It has the tropical fruits and the coconut, and it smells so good. They have many other ones. They also have essential oils and essential oil blends. A lot of smells that are good for men too, so it's not just womanly smells. They have right now they have their fall scents that are out, which this one is sugar pumpkin, and it's amazing. So they come out with their seasonal scents too, so you can always get that kind of stuff going in your house when the seasons hit. So I'm excited for their Christmas stuff too. So I love this stuff so much, you guys, that, okay, so obviously I've had it for over a year. I wanted another one. I want another one of these, and I wanted more scents, but I also wanted to smell all their other scents. So I just went and decided to buy one of their big boxes, their big kits. So I'm going to unbox that for you guys real quick. So this is their lowest end of the kits that you could get. You could get a lot more stuff than this, but this is what I got. So first off, in here is all of their material for just like welcome stuff and your order stuff. Comes with a beautiful bracelet with their logo on it. Comes with your ordering stuff, your catalogs, everything like that. Comes with the mini emoji in blue. So these mini emojis come in a lot of different colors. This one comes in white and black, the AirMoji does. They also have a line of cleaners and home stuff that are awesome and natural. They use essential oils and vegetable enzymes. This one is their toilet bowl cleaner, which I haven't used yet, but I'm really excited to. It smells so good. I'm really excited to use it because we have really hard water in our house, and I'm afraid I hate all the toilet bowl rings. That's just really gross. Anyway, I hope that cleans it. Next would be this guy, which houses, I imagine, the big one, the AirMoji. So it comes in the white, just like this one, and then it comes with scents. So we have Oregon Coast is one of the scents. We have Warm Teakwood, which is more of like a musky, manly scent, I think. And then we have Flower Child, which is like a lemony floral scent, which smells really good. Next is, I bought it for this reason too, to get these, but my main reason was to get all these. These are all the samples that come in there. I think they have about 15 essential oil and essential oil blends, and then they have all the other stuff. So I'm super excited for this, you guys. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do if you guys purchase one. It just takes your house to that next level. And of course, the safety of it is the best thing for people with kids or dogs or pets, or even just for yourself. It's just an amazing product, super innovative product. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. You can email me, you can message me through my social media, however you'd like. I will also link below how to purchase these if you guys are interested in purchasing some on your own. And I will also add my favorite scents, so you don't have to go back in the video and look at it, but I'll add even more of my favorite scents also. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. See ya.